And tonight, a new order from Hidalgo County health officials is calling for schools to push back the start of date in-person learning. But requirements from the TEA could keep the county from enforcing the actual order. CBS 4's Rocio Villalobos has the latest on the concerns the county faces.
When you have among the highest death rates in the country, when we have over 4% of our population who turns positive die, then we're going to place a lot of people at risk.
For many districts in the Valley, the 4-week period of virtual learning granted by the Texas Education Agency is coming to a close. But as the RGV remains a COVID-19 hotspot in Texas and was excluded from the governor's recent orders allowing parts of the state to increase their capacity for certain industries, the TEA is allowing local schools to extend their transition to in-person learning by an additional 4 weeks, with an exception. A limited number of students must return to campus instruction.
We're all concerned with the reopening of schools because we know that density is a contributor to spreading the disease.
While new county health orders recommend delaying campus instruction to October 25th, the Texas Attorney General requires any rule by a medical authority be related to a specific event in order to be imposed. Thus, school districts are partially reopening in the upcoming weeks and allowing parents the decision to opt their children in or continue their education online.
Whether you're at church or whether you're at a football game, or whether you're at an athletic activity, or whether you're protesting, it doesn't matter. The way this virus survives is by people coming together, and that's exactly what school does.
While the COVID-19 fatality rate in the county is decreasing, Dr. Melendez predicts the return to school will again set the RGV back.
So absolutely, I expect to have a spike. How high? We'll wait and see.
Schools will be required to report student infections, and if there is a significant spike, as Dr. Melendez expects, schools would have to abide the county's health order.
If we do see that there is some problems associated with getting our students back to school and the infection rate gets high, then I believe that the order that our medical director will impose will be legal and will be followed and will be enforceable.
For parents choosing to have their child return to campus, Dr. Melendez urges they work closely with the district to understand how exactly they plan to keep them safe. Working for you in Hidalgo County, Rocio Villalobos.
Among the districts requesting the TEA waiver are Donna ISD, Weslaco ISD, and Mission CISD.